Hey AussieDoodle fans, welcome back to the Rogers house. And today is a big day for Blue's litter. It is bath day. And right now we have Nova. Our lineup's going to be Nova, Poppy, and Ollie right now. And it's definitely time for a bath. Yesterday we cleaned up on their butts a little bit, clipped their toenails. Today we'll get a full bath. Right at that 6-week mark. Alright. We're using Highlight shampoo. It is for cleansing and grooming, and it has really good ingredients in it. It won't make them itch or anything or scratch. All the puppies seem to do really well on it. Alright, Nova, we'll get you cleaned up. Smells like pineapple. It's kind of nice. That's what we do. We kind of just rinse them, get them all wet, and then we'll get the shampoo and lather them up. Doesn't take long. The puppies aren't too big. We try to keep it out of their eyes. Get their backside clean in between their paws. Time for a rinse. Good girl. This is the first experience for them, so some of them might kick and scream a little bit. We'll try to stay calm with them. Keep the water out of their eyes and ears. Try to make it a pleasant experience the best we can. Good job, Nova. Nova is our little escape artist right now. She's finding ways out of the puppy playpen. It's kind of funny. It was my fault. I left a crack in the door. But I thought that was pretty funny. Just something about her that you can hold on to for a little bit. All right. You're all done, Nova. It's time to dry off. All right, good job. All right, it's Ollie's turn for a bath. Good job, Ollie. I gave Ollie a bath last night, and he really wasn't too fond of it, but he's doing a lot better today. Good job, buddy. I think it frightened him at first, but he's settling in well. Alright. Get your belly wet. Paws wet. Backside. Time for shampoo. Right now, after the puppies get their bath, or before they get their bath, my son Jimmy is on the floor playing with them. Him and Mama are keeping watch. All right, Ollie. Let's get you all soaked up here. Ollie is our little wrestle dog. He likes to start wrestling with his litter mates and having fun, playing tug of war and stuff. That's his little personality trait right now that I noticed just this morning. Alright, buddy. I think you're ready for a rinsing. Do the extra on the backside there. Alright. Here we go. Alright, bud. Good boy, Ollie. Good boy. Bottom. A little bit on your nose there. All right. Now it's time for Ollie to get dried off. All right. Now it's Maggie's turn. Good job, Maggie. She's wet here. If you just put the shampoo right on them, it's not good. You gotta get them a little bit wet first. I feel like it cleans a lot better. There we go. today, Maggie, actually most days, whenever I come in the puppy room, Maggie will sit at the gate and kind of look at me as if to say, when are you going to let me out and play? That's what she does. There we go. Get those paws ready. There we go. Everybody's going to be all clean and fluffy. After the bath, their fur really puffs up and they get like poofy. It's really cute, especially if you blow dry them. Let's see if we have time today. Hear those little puppy grunts? Just moving them every which way, getting them clean. All right, Maggie, good job. Drinking that water? You thirsty? All right. Maggie's all rinsed off. Time to dry off. Good job, Maggie. All right, now it's Poppy's turn for her bath. Get her rinsed up here. Good girl. Give me your paws. Time for some shampoo. Poppy's little personality is coming out more and more. Something funny about her, she kind of likes to hang out in the litter box. It's kind of funny. She'll just like lay and look at me from a distance in the litter box. And I'm like, girl, you're not gonna get dirty in there. It's true. Hear those little grunts? Every time I push on them, it's the little puppy grunts. Sometimes the doodles get little eye boogies, so we'll clean them out every other day or so. Good girl, Poppy. I think we're ready. Yeah, good girl. Good girl, Poppy. Good girl. Just kind of reassuring them this is safe, this is good time. Bath time's a good time, you know. It's a good trait when puppies are good taking baths, so we're trying to get them there. I think she's doing really good. All right, Poppy. We'll get you dried off, sweetie. You ready? All right. All right, we've got little CeCe with us. We've skipped the rinsing part. Now we're going to go straight to suds right here. Good girl, CeCe. Good girl. CeCe really likes her rope toy. I saw her running around. We have a jungle gym. Not necessarily a rope toy she could carry anywhere, but she was kind of pulling on it like a tug of war against herself. And that was the rope toy. So if you guys are wanting to buy toys for CeCe, she likes the rope chew toys. Good girl. Alright, I think it's time to rinse.
No. Daddy needs that. Go this way.
Good girl, CeCe.
Yeah. You see it on the camera? Hot water. You can try it.
Get your belly. Good girl. All right, CeCe. Cookies and cream. Good job, girl. All right, time to dry off. All right. Last but not least is Harper. Great. Good job, Harper. Get you all rinsed off here. belly. Okay. Time for some shampoo, Harper. She's wagging her tail and getting me wet. Harper, I just said CeCe likes a rope toy. Harper likes the, we have a fluffy dog toy also on the jungle gym. And that seems to be her favorite toy. I don't think it has a squeak in it, just a stuffed animal style toy. It's always fun to see them choose their favorite toy. It's kind of funny. But it does happen. Uh-oh. Yeah, pull him away. I'll be all right. My son likes to grab the tripod for the camera. So we don't want to have a camera crashing down. He's only a year old, so you know, he thinks he owns the place. Good job, Harper. Get your paws clean. These white paws sometimes can get dirty, so we like to do our best to keep them clean. You can see, you know, dirt on those quicker than you'd see anywhere else. So we have to do a special effort to keep the white clean, you know? But 6 weeks of age, everybody's doing great. Everybody's gaining weight daily and doing well on the puppy mash. Feeding that to them a few times a day. And we've also got a vet visit scheduled tomorrow for the 6-week round of shots and health and wellness checkup. So we anticipate that going well. I don't see any concerns with this litter, any problems at all. So looking forward to that. But that's the last puppy, guys. It's time to dry her off. And we're glad that you got to watch our little bath video. Everybody got their second bath. The first one on video. 6 weeks of age, doing great. Vet visit this week. And we can't wait for you guys to see your puppy. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we'll see you next week. Say bye, Harper.